Welcome to RobotStudio Tutorials. In this session, we will explore how to simulate cables in RobotStudio. Cable simulation in RobotStudio allows you to visually model and analyze the behavior and dynamics of cables connected to robotic systems. In this example, we will use an ABB 4600 robot configured as a dispensing system. We will create a cable that runs from the single doser tool, passes through a bracket, and connects to the start of a fixed cable section. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Modeling tab. From there, select the Cable option. You will now see various cable properties that can be configured. To begin, we will adjust the cable radius from 25 mm to 20 mm. Next, select the cable material. You can easily assign a physics material by selecting the Materials option. You may choose from predefined materials or create a new material by defining its specific properties. For this example, we will choose a flexible hose. Now, we need to define the control points. Start by enabling the Snap Point option, then select the center of the single doser tool to create the starting point. Next, define the endpoint at the beginning of the fixed cable section. You will also notice the approach points. You can create additional control points by simply clicking on the cable. These points can then be moved to help guide its path. Adjust them as needed to ensure the cable passes smoothly through the bracket. Additional approach points can be added along the cable. You can drag or position these control points to fine-tune the cable shape as needed. Before proceeding, review the defined points. Once everything is configured, click Create to generate the cable. The cable will appear in the 3D environment and also in the Layout browser. After creation, you can right-click on the physics cable to access additional options. From here, you can adjust the cable length, modify material properties, and change the cable color. For demonstration, let's make the cable slightly longer. You can also customize various cable properties, such as the radius and nominal length. You can easily modify the physics material of the cable. You can adjust the Young's modulus, which defines the stiffness of the material. Now let's test the simulation. Jog the robot's TCP and observe how the cable responds dynamically. Finally, run the rapid program to see the cable fully simulated in motion. As the robot operates, you can observe how the cable behavior is realistically simulated using RobotStudio's physics engine. This brings us to the end of the cable simulation tutorial. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this.